back to another video, guys. I'm going to show you a very quick and easy smoothie. We're going to be using beetroot and banana. You can always use almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk. What I have here now is soy milk, and I'm also going to add to it some hemp hearts. Let's get started. Just a reminder that all our fruits have been frozen. I'm gonna use 2 heaping of hemp hearts. And there you have it, guys, a very quick and easy beetroot banana smoothie. Please give this recipe a try. It's super easy, super nutritious, very tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time.